All right, so welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. We're going to discuss Leon Bailey. Now, Leon Bailey is en route to having one of his best ever season since he started his football career. Now, this statement is solely based on statistics, numbers. This is strictly numbers driven. So maybe he could have had better seasons where performance is concerned, where how he feels about himself, where the games that he played had a lot more impact on him. But where statistics, where numbers are concerned, Leon Bailey at this present moment is en route to have his best ever season in his career. So before we get to that, please hit the like button. Please also hit the subscribe button. If you please, I would really appreciate it if you guys do so. So Leon, over the weekend they played Nottingham Forest, where Leon Bailey registered an assist and a goal. Real nice goal too. Real striker type finish. But certainly his undeniable form has continued in a great manner. Now, I wanted to listen to these statistics going all the way back to Genk. Listen to this. 2015 to 2016 season, 37 games, 6 goals, 10 assists. Not bad, because at those times it was really young. Listen to this now. 2016-2017, 19 games, 2 goals, 5 assists. Now, in the same season, he played in Europa League, where he played 12 games and had 7 assists. So you see where those numbers are. Those are actually really good numbers, especially when when Leon Bailey was like 20, 21. So he was really young at that point in time. Actually younger. My apologies, really younger. So that was teenage Bailey. Now, from Genk to Leverkusen, listen to these statistics. And remember, Leverkusen is where the limelight was really shed on him. Yes, he went on well in Genk, but this is where things really made a huge impact. Now, in the Bundesliga, from 2016 season, 8 appearances, 0 goals, 0 assists. 2017 to 2018, 30 appearances, 9 goals, 6 assists. So, you see where we're going right now. And if you go and check at this present moment to see the goal ratio that Leon Bailey is on, I'm telling you, you'd be surprised. At this present moment, Leon Bailey is on 8 goals, 7 assists. Now, you see, just 24 appearances. See where I'm going with this. All right. 2018-2019 season, 29 appearances, 5 goals, 1 assist. 2019 to 2020 season, 22 appearances, 5 goals, 3 assists. And remarkably, his best season overall in the Bundesliga was 2020 season to 2021, which he had registered 30 appearances and 9 goals, 8 assists. And in Europa League, 8 appearances, 5 goals. So this categorically, historically, would have gone down on record as his best ever season as a professional. And when you look at it at this present moment, as I mentioned to you, 8 goals, 7 assists. So far, he's only 1 goal shy of his best ever season, which was at Leverkusen, and 1 assist shy from that. And at that point, he played 30 games. He's just on 24 games. No, he's on 24 games at this present moment. So just say five more games from now, 2 more goals, maybe 2 more assists. He would have blown that out of the park. So this historically would have gone down as his best ever season in his career, statistically. But you can see in how he's playing, he's enjoying himself, he's enjoying football at this present moment. So it's a good look. It's a really good look for Leon Bailey. And also in the Conference League, he's one of Aston Villa's main players in the Conference League. 7 games, 3 goals, 2 assists. So that's 5 goals contribution in 7 games. So that is showcasing what he's doing so far. So at this present moment, Leon Bailey is en route to registering his best ever numbers or statistical season in the top flight football. in his professional career, en route. Not saying he has done it as yet. So let's see when he equalized those numbers with the 9 goals, 8 assists, which is that's a 17 goal contribution. 17, and at this present moment, I think he's on 15 goal contribution. He's on 15. Is it 15? Let me check my numbers. Yes, he's on 15 goal contribution at this present moment with 6 less game. 6 less game. So, and at the rate has always going out so far, it's really a good look. So definitely his tremendous form continues, and he's scoring goals for fun. He's enjoying his football, and this is really, really what I want to see. And the March is just right around the corner. Nation League just around the corner. So it's a good look, people. It is definitely a good look. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button. Continue doing the work, Bailey. Continue putting the goals and the assists. We'll keep in touch. Big up on yourself. MG Sports TV. I'll see you guys again, and we're out. Boom. God bless. Boom.